All right, good everyone. I'm not the type that chase clout, and I don't have time for unnecessary publicity. But with the way things are going at the moment, I think I just need to come out and say one or two things, because enough is enough. The fact that I don't talk, or the fact that I hold on to my peace and I let things slide and I let things fly just the way it would have wanted to, doesn't mean that I don't have my truth or I don't know what I'm doing. Do you understand? I don't understand. I don't understand. Is it that you people don't know that?
Expanded details on DAMOLA, OLATUNJI and Dayo Amusa baby rumors. Context of the rumor. The rumors linking DAMOLA OLATUNJI to Dayo Amusa's newborn started after OLATUNJI shared a video from the baby's naming ceremony on social media. The event, attended by several Nollywood stars, saw OLATUNJI engaging warmly with the baby, leading fans to speculate about his connection. A playful comment on Instagram further stoked the rumors when a follower cheekily asked if he was the father, prompting OLATUNJI's humorous response, "Abiu, seriously serious?" OLATUNJI's reaction. Rather than directly denying or confirming anything, OLATUNJI's light-hearted response was seen as a tactic to downplay the speculation while keeping the conversation fun. His post garnered numerous reactions, with some fans appreciating his humor while others interpreted it as ambiguous. Dayo Amusa's firm stance. In contrast, Dayo Amusa addressed the speculation held on during a TikTok live session. She criticized those prying into her private life, asking rhetorically if they had lost their husbands or found them in her room. She emphasized that a child's birth should be a celebration, not a subject for gossip. Amusa firmly stated that those uncomfortable with celebrating her joy need not offer congratulations. Public reactions. The public response has been mixed. While some fans are supportive of both celebrities, urging others to respect their privacy, others remain intrigued by the mystery surrounding the baby's paternity. The incident highlights the challenges celebrities face in maintaining privacy amid public scrutiny. Conclusion. For now, both OLATUNJI and Amusa seem focused on maintaining light-hearted responses and protecting their personal boundaries, signaling that the matter, at least for them, is closed. However, the buzz around the situation continues to stir conversations online.